Amesema tunaingia sasa.
Tunaingia live. Tunaingia live.
Naam, mtazamaji, asante sana kwa
hebu katikati kiasi kuna msemo mwingine anaingia live.
Sijapo umeniambia tunaingia live sasa hivi. Sema niambia tunaingia live sasa hivi.
Kuna msemo mwingine anaingia live.
A few moments later.
Tunaingia live.
Naam mtazamaji, na tungeweza kujua opinion za watu kulingana na venye
kuna kitu imetokea. Kuna msemo mwingine anaingia live. Kuna msemo mwingine anaingia live. Kuna msemo anaingia live. Kuna msemo anaingia live.
6.5 hours later.
Welcome to JK Live. Today being on a Friday, 4th of April 2025, and I'm telling you, we have had a lot of highlights, and I would like to tell you that it has been confirmed that His Excellency Honorable Dr. William Samoei Ruto will be visiting Tharaka University. I'm your host here, Jeff Koinange, and
I'm Felista Kadambi.
She's Felista, I'm telling you. So I would like just to talk about this issue. Honorable Ruto visiting the Tharaka University and all about that. And I would like to direct you directly to my fellow reporter, Hyper Smiles, on the ground of convoy along the State House.
We are here and ready to leave the convoy. I see the buses are ready to go. We are here waiting for the time whereby we can leave. I see the security guards are well packed there. I see the officers there. We are ready to move. The convoy is ready and back to the studio.
I thought you guys, you've heard us as former presenter Hyper Smiles that the president is eagerly preparing his convoy, the motorcade and everything, and in a few he'll be landing and he'll be live on Tharaka University. I'll just to take it back to my co-host Felista to tell us more on that.
Thank you, Jeff. And as you can see, dear our esteemed viewers, the students, the comrades, and the community are ready and eagerly waiting for the president to arrive at Tharaka University. They are very happy, and everything is going on well. That's why the president will be coming to visit them and adhere to some issues of the university. Let's go back and connect with our reporter Tito at the grounds.
Naam, mpenzi mtazamaji, unavyoona hapa ni matayarisho ya kumlaki bwana rais. Unapocheki upande wangu wa kushoto kuna kiti cha bwana William Ruto. Upande wangu wa kushoto kuna hitirafu kidogo. Mtazamaji, tunapoendelea kusema ya kwamba matayarisho yanaendelea huku kwa ground.
Thank you, Tito. Thank you for giving us that good information.
As we have heard from the ground, we want to hear what the comrades are saying, and we want to know what the comrade will do and what they're expecting from His Excellency's visit. Sumo, reporter Sumo.
Kwani fare ni pesa ngapi? Naweza kulipia. Kuja twende.
Sumo?
Twende.
Sorry for that. It's like we're experiencing some technical issues here and there. But have you heard that Honorable Paul Mugambi will be in attendance alongside His Excellency William Ruto and His Excellency DP?
That's some very good news. I believe the student will be happy.
The student will be happy. Even the community of Tharaka Hall will be happy for his attendance. And I'm telling you, things will be well and things will be nice. Let's try getting back to Sumu and let's hear what he has to say with the comrades. Sumu?
Sumu, ingia live. Sumu, tunaingia live.
Naam mtazamaji, maoni? Anzia sisi unaweza.
Tuko live. Endelea. Tuendelee.
Naam, tunataka kuangalia maoni ya
demo university. Na umeajiriwa msee.
Tuko live.
Tunataka kuangalia maoni.